It is not up to 24 hours that I built this particular tool right here, which is a text-to-speech tool on this very account with this particular AI tool, which is text-to-speech tool. Okay, so I'm going to simply show you how to create this. I'm going to be giving you the prompt for this. You can as well convert your own speech to text, okay, which means whatever you say here are going to be written down here, okay. And you can show right here, these are the learn more buttons right here on this very tool, which I'm going to simply show you how to build. Okay, so let's test this tool. So let me just copy it from here, come back here, paste it right here. Okay, when you paste that, then all you need to do is simply select the language. You can show right here, these are languages that you can easily select from here, and these are voices. Okay, you can select either from David, Mark, Zira, and Google US. Okay, for instance, we want to go with Google US. Let's play it.
You currently have access to the 20 most recent events. Upgrade to Jetpack Vault, press backup or Jetpack security to unlock.
And the best part is that you can resume it, you can stop it, you can clear it, you can as well download it. Okay, and if you scroll down right here, let's see how this speech to test work. Okay, so let me just clear this right here. Right, so if you click on this start button, then it's going to simply prompt you to allow your microphone from your browser. Okay, so let's select allow while visiting the site. Okay, let me start. Okay, so if you're watching my video right now, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Don't forget to join us on our Telegram, WhatsApp channel, and also on our Patreon to stay updated on what we do here. So let's get into the video right away. Okay, so you can show right here, it has already given us all the tests, and the best part is that you can easily copy this and you can easily use this particular medium to write your blog post, to write your speech if you don't want to start writing with your own hands. Okay, so this is a very big tool that you can easily integrate on your website and get a lot of visitors. People want to get this. Okay, most platforms that offers this service charge a lot. Okay, so that's why some people value it more when this particular type of service comes for free. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first you need to do, I would advise you to go ahead and get a custom domain for yourself so that your domain name can easily rank on Google, and also people can easily value it more like a professional website. Okay, so if you have a blog website, this is going to simply work for you. If my team have already built your website, then you can easily log into your dashboard just like this. Okay, you have to simply create a separate page for your tools. All right, this is going to simply increase your blog traffic. So most people that will be visiting your blog will not be visiting because they want to read the blog, but they can easily visit because they want your tools. Okay, they want your free tools. Click on this page section here, then click on add new page. Okay, you have to simply type in the name of the tool you want to build. Let's say so when you add that, then you have to simply click on this button here. Okay, but before you do this, you have to make sure you go over to your browser and you're gonna simply search for Grok.com. all right, so this is grokai.com. all right, this is also an AI tool which works like DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm going to simply be showing you the code we got from Grok and also the one we got from DeepSeek so that you can easily evaluate this and see the one that works best. Okay, if you scroll up right here, I'm going to give you this prompt that I use for this. Okay, let's scroll up. Don't bother yourself, I'm going to drop a link on the comment section or the video description. The link is going to direct you to where you can simply get your own prompt. Okay, so this is going to be the prompt you have to post right there. Okay, you can show right here, and this prompt is very lengthy. Okay, so I'm going to simply drop a link so that you can copy it. Okay, when you copy it, you can easily paste it, then make some changes to the application, then generate your code, then do what I'm going to show you right here and get everything done for yourself. Okay, and this was the final code. You can show right here, this was the final code which I generated, and all I have to do right now is simply go ahead and click on the copy button. Okay, so when you generate that, click on the copy button. Let's go back to the website, then click on this, then select HTML, which is the custom HTML, then paste the code here. When you paste that, click on publish, then hit on publish. So remember, this one is coming from Grok. Okay, then click on preview. Okay, you can show right here, this is the tool here. You can see text to speech and all of that. And if you scroll down right here, you're going to see the details we got from the website. That is the same thing we got from here. Okay, remember, this is unlimited. The test is unlimited, unlike other platforms that will limit it because they are paid. Okay, you have to pay a certain amount of money to just generate, but here you can paste any amount of words right here, and it's going to simply generate the voice for you. Okay, and if you scroll down right, you're going to see the details, which is this right here. Everything is just the same. All right, and if you come to this section, you can see this is the speech to text, where we can easily go ahead and click on start recording. Then it's going to simply record everything. For instance, this one right here is the learn more section, where we can easily go ahead and check out other things right here. Okay, so all of these things comes from the prompt, which I'm going to give you from the pinned comment. I'm going to simply edit this page and remove the code, so we can check out the code that is coming from DeepSeek. All right, hit on Ctrl A, then delete this code. The code has been deleted, and if you click on the save button, the website will be empty now. Okay, so see that the website is now empty. The website is now empty. So we're going to simply go back to the edit page, then head straight to DeepSeek. This is the complete HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then hit on this copy button, go back to the website, paste the code here. All right, then click on the save button, then click on preview. This is cool, and if you scroll down right here, you're gonna see text to speech, blah blah blah, and the rest. So this is dark mode, and this section right here, you can put in whatever you want to put there. Then this is the language, this is voice, the voices right here. Let's say we want to copy this, then come back to the website. Okay, then come to this section, paste this here, then select language, then let's say select Google US. Okay, then click on play.
You currently have access to the 20 most recent events. Upgrade to Jetpack Vault Press.
Okay, I paused it. Okay, you can see this is cool as well. So let's check out the speech to text too. Okay, so let's see from here. This is the speech to text. Then let's click on start recording. You can see start, you can see stop, you can see copy text. So let's click on start, then allow microphone. So guys, if you're still watching this video right now, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and also don't forget to join us on the Telegram channel to stay updated on what we do here. And I've already made a comment with a pin link. Okay, so you just have to make sure you click on the pin link to get the prompt. Okay, this is basically how this particular tool works. So all we have to do is to simply convert this to an application, a mobile app, and I've already made a video about that. Okay, so I'm not going to be repeating videos every single time. Okay, just go ahead and watch the video showing your screen right now, and it's going to simply convert this particular to a mobile application that you can easily upload on Play Store, on App Store. There's no need building two websites. If you have a blog, you can as well use your current blog for that. And if you don't have a blog already, get a developer that can develop your blog website and also monetize it. If you don't have a trusted developer, join us in a Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel, then my team are going to simply build your website. To want to add ads, okay, simply go over to your dashboard, this section, click on your dashboard, then you have to scroll down to this very section. You're going to simply come to plugins. Okay, click on add new plugins, search for insert header and footer. Okay, so the insert header and footer helps you to insert code and all of that. Okay, so for instance, this is the one I've already installed, and this one as well. Okay, and you have to simply install that, and if you install that, you just go over to your settings. You're going to see add inserter. Okay, when you click on it, it is going to simply take you to where you can easily add ads, advertisement to your website. Okay, you can see this one has already been added. So how did I add this? All I have to do is simply click on this, and the color will change to white. Then I can be able to copy this, okay, or add anything if it is not there already. Where do I copy this from? I copied it from my Adsterra. Then click on this get code, you copy it, then you come back here, select another page where there is no ad already, then you have to simply paste it right like this. Okay, and this is going to simply work for you for your Montag, AdSense, Adsterra, pop ad, hit up ad, and a lot more. Okay, let's say I want to add this at the footer section. Let's say I want to add it at the footer section as well. Then click on the save button. Okay, so if you click on that, then you have to simply copy your website. Let's view it outside the dashboard section. Paste it right here. When you view your website, then this is what you're going to simply see. Okay, so you can show here, this is our text to speech tool. You can decide to adjust your prompt by telling it to change colors, change images, and also change some fonts. Okay, you can see the advertisement are showing already. This is basically how you can create a tool website, just like a text to speech website that people can easily use. If you found this video helpful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next video.